Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you huge washi tape haul. Tapes were sent to me by Washi tape store and they were kind enough to provide me with a 10% discount for my subscribers. I will put a discount code on the screen and also in the video description below. These washi tapes will be perfect for my new album, and I will also be using them in art journal and bullet journal that I will be doing in the future. Before I show you these beautiful tapes, please subscribe to my channel. It really does help me a lot and you get notified when I upload new videos. First I'm going to show you all the tapes that were sent to me and then we will make a few projects using them.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes,
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to use a discount code if you are placing an order on the Washi Tape Shop's website. For more inspiration, you can check my Instagram where I'm posting pictures and videos of my projects. Let me know in the comments which washi tape design is your favorite. If I had to choose, mine would be this washi tape set. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.